Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, December 19th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of ES and SPY in the category of you can't make this shit up. ES held one tick of single prints. To me, it has to trade at 48.75 to officially fill it. SPY filled theirs by the penny. Amazing. IWM goes out with a very, very small set of single prints. So IWM is a double distribution day, and H period was an afternoon rally high for them. Triple Qs, they're the only ones that probed, but not by much. They go out with an afternoon rally high in H. ES, poor low on the day. SPY does not. One tick of single prints. SPY does not. And we have an afternoon rally high in F. ES got within, what did they get within of filling that gap from the December contract? Let's see. 2 ticks. 38. Yep, 27 and a quarter. I'm sorry. A little over a point. But just amazing how mechanical. I had a good day today, and guess what? All shorts again. We had a lot of indecision here. I didn't know if the market was going to give it up the short side and try to go higher, take a short higher, and then go back to park, or was this a rest period and they were going to get going? So I did miss a couple of shorts here, but boy, oh boy, I made up for it in J and K. So in B period, once we started the one-time framing down, started taking shorts, shorted that twice. I shorted D period 3 times, lost on one of them. So I was 4-1 on shorts after B and D. E period, I took a short when we had single prints initially. Then the market dried up for me. I did nothing until J. Took a 4-lot mini in J, which paid me very nice. And then when K attempted to rally at one point, ended up with 7 of the mini, came back in and did very well on that. So like I always tell the room, be the lion waiting in the grass. Yeah, I might have missed a couple of shorts here at FG and H's high, but there was uncertainty here, right? You didn't know if they were going to try to alleviate some of the short pressure and look for a better short around wherever value high was. Again, I'm in bigger increments now. So I waited, and then it paid me handsomely in J and K. As far as destinations, now the volume was very weak today. Only 65 million after 4 days in a row of over 100 million. That would have been nice to continue. For our destinations, on the upside, we have an afternoon rally high of 381.78, and then SPY's high of 380.382. For the downside, we have nothing until today's low of 378.28, and then again a price vacuum down to 373.61, which is a weekly low. ES, the high, would be one little tick of single print first, 48.75, then the afternoon rally high of 62.75, and today's high of 83.50. And then the low is 27.25, which is a poor low, and then filling the gap of 25.75 from November 10th. And then on the charts, give me 1 second, and we'll get to them. Again, I want to thank everybody for their likes and subscribing to this YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. I had my doctor's appointment this morning. They're very happy with how everything's healed. They actually downgraded the cancer to a stage 1 since the tumor was under 2 centimeters. I have one more test to see what the odds are of it coming back. If it's this number's under 20, I'm good. If it's over 20, then I'd have to have some chemo. But right now, with the lymph nodes negative and everything else, all the results have been great. So thank you again for your thoughts and prayers from both my trading room and people who just follow me on here and everything. Really appreciate it. Here's your weekly. We had an outside week down, and we took out last week's low already. The weekly is firmly down, and we're coming off an outside week down. Monthly is still in balance. Now, again, I'm not going to push the panic button yet. Last month's low is 368.79. So we're still about $11, $12 above it with 9 trading days to go. If we start getting close, then we have to worry about an outside month down towards the end of the year. Daily, firmly down. We're one-time framing down 4 days. 2 gaps for SPY. One is a dividend gap. We're below the 200 to 20 and the 50. And we've gone from 410.49 down to 378.28 today. So we are down $32. $32 in 5 trading days. This market moves fast. Just like we said, there was no bids once the short covering stopped. Hope you had a good day trading. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.